put it all. Pour it all, ah. Ayan, and then spread the pizza sauce using the spoon in a circular motion. So you will you will go round and round.
Very good.
Ayan, just like that. Alright, so paikot lang tayo, paikot for the distribution or pag-spread ng ating pizza sauce. Make it evenly spreaded on your pizza dough.
Oh, bilis. Ikaw, bilis. Lagay mo.
Okay.
Spread it on mo. Bilis.
This french fries.
No, it's a cheese.
Okay, a cheese. A cheese, mommy.
Yes.
This is on cheese. Oh.
Later yan.
Alright, are you done, kids? Okay.
Bilis ka na mo. Ikot.
Okay, let's wait others. Let's wait others to finish their pizza sauce.
Pizza. Then pizza. Cheese.
Next is...
Cheese.
Very good.
Let's open the cheese.
No, later. This is pineapple.
Huh?
This is the cheese.
Let's open the cheese.
Wait lang. Wait mo si kuya, ha?
Wait, Kuya.
Alright, so are you done? Not yet?
Ayaw.
Yes.
Oh.
Alright, so that's 30 seconds for putting pizza sauce. Alright, go. That's 30, 29, 28. I'm just kidding. Alright. Just finish it.
Wait for the instruction.
Alright, so can we proceed to the next step? Kids, can we proceed to the next step? Okay, for our next step, so get the cheese, a combination of natural cheddar and mozzarella cheese stick.
Open it. Yeah. Oh, wait lang. No, get
Alright, so look at Ate Jean. So put the cheese.
Very good.
Ayan, so from outer to inner. So ayan, so
Put
from
it here,
outer
all,
to inner.
Dami. Ganun. Oh.
And make it evenly spreaded. Ayan, so dapat equally spreaded yung atin. So look at Ate Jane.
Bilis. Put it on. Very
Is it okay to use your hands to
It's okay,
sprinkle it on the top of your dough?
It's okay.
So sprinkle it on the top of your dough.
Oh, put it on. Bilis na. No, put it on your hand. Oh, bilis. One more. More pa. Yan. Put it. Very good. Here pa, oh. Lagay mo dito. Bilis. One. Very good. This one, oh. It's okay. Put it here. Oh. Wow. More pa. Oh, get mo na. Oh, yung hands mo. Oh.
Wow.
Spread.
And some apple.
It's pineapple.
Pineapple.
Alright, are you done, kids? Not yet, okay.
That is a win.
Yes.
What?
Very good. Complete. Apa. wait.
Okay, so can we proceed to the next step?
Next is the ham.
Wow! Let's open your hand.
Alright, so for the next step,
No, get
Get
one first.
the ham.
Put it. Bilis, get one.
ham.
Put it there.
Then again, same with the cheese. Sprinkle it on the top of the cheese from
Guys,
outer
dito,
to
ganun,
inner.
mabilis. Spread it. Very good. Here, oh. Ito pa, oh. Yan. Dun, oh, dun. Very good.
And spray some apple pineapple.
Later.
Are you done, kids? Yes. Alright, so make sure that the ham are evenly spreaded. Next, let's proceed to the last ingredient. Pineapple. Very good. So let's put pineapple from outer to inner.
Mommy, it's put
Yeah, put it
And
here.
make sure that the pineapple are evenly spreaded.
It's okay, warm. Here, oh. Spread it. Spread it to the side. No, it's okay. Here, oh. Put it here. Here. Doon, oh. Wow!
Alright, are you done,
Very
kids?
good.